All right, guys, we have some beautiful, beautiful turkey wings. We're getting ready to fry these bad boys up. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Awesome, awesome. Up, we got some ground mustard, garlic powder, Himalayan pink salt, onion powder, and you can't fry them up without having your French's mustard. Yes, these are going to be mustard fried turkey wings. Look at that, guys. First thing we need to do is cut these bad boys. Yes, all right. So I'm going to get my knife here, and we are just going to sharpen it up. Just a little bit there. All right, let's go ahead. We're going to cut this down here, and you can leave the tip on, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. If you leave the tip on, you want to make a little slit so that it'll lay flat. But for right now, we're just going to cut this wing off here. We're going to cut it off, off, off. Yes. Straight down. You got to make sure you get in between. Right here. Get in between. Pop it. Pop it, guys. Just pop it. All right. Look at that beauty, guys. This is going to be fried up to perfection. Yes. I'm going to cut this tip off. We are frying the tip, but I'm cutting it off too. Yes. Awesome. All right. Ooh, that tip's a little hard coming off of there. Let me go ahead and cut it up this way. Yes, all right. Okay, maybe we can't get this tip off of here. Yes. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these other two up, and we'll be right back. Okay, our wings are all cut up, guys. Now we're going to put our mustard on there. You want a good amount of mustard on there, guys. Just put it on. Just put it on. We're going to rub this in real good. All right. Just get in there, guys, and rub it in. Rub it in, rub it in. If you want gloves on, go ahead, get your gloves. We just want to get in there, guys. Get in there real good. Yes, all right. Get in there, get in there. Yes, this is what they're supposed to look like when they're all massaged in with that mustard, guys. Yes, let me wash my hands right quick. Ooh. Okay, guys, so the next thing you want to do after you have them all mustered up is to put that seasoning on. Even though you put the mustard on already, we're going to put seasoning on our turkey wings and in our flour. So let's get to it. Okay, we've got our onion powder. Sprinkle it good on, guys. Be generous with your seasonings. And while we have our seasonings in our hand, guys, let me pull this back just a little bit. We're going to season up our flour. Everything that you want on your turkey, you want on your flour. Season in layers. So we're just going to put some of this in our flour too. Okay, we have our garlic powder. Yes, generous, generous, generous. Generous, anything you put on your chicken, this is what you want to do to the turkey wings, guys. Yes, a little Himalayan salt. And we don't need too much salt. Mustard has a little saltiness to it as well. Then when you fry anything, dried mustard. Yes, we're using wet mustard and dry mustard. Yes. Awesome. Get that in there. Okay. And a little paprika. Get that color in there, guys. Yes. Okay. We're going to stir this up a little bit. Make sure it's well mixed. Well mixed. And also in my flour, guys, we're going to put some cornstarch. That's going to ensure that crispiness is in there. So we're going to put a little cornstarch in here too. Okay, you want to make sure it's well blended. So blend it up really, really well. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. And guess what we're getting ready to do now, guys? Massage again, because you want the seasonings to get all over each piece. Come on, let's just get in there and season it up really good. When you fry this and bite into it, oh my goodness. You may never fry another piece of regular chicken as long as you leave it. Yes, this is going to be amazing, delicious, and good. Yes. Okay, guys, gotta go wash those hands again. Okay, guys, we're getting ready to fry them up. And if you can use a cast iron skillet, that's what you want to use, guys. That good old cast iron skillet, that's going to help crispy them up. Medium high heat, you don't want it too hot or it'll burn on the outside and they will not be cooked on the inside. You can't rush these, guys. You can't rush them. So let's get over to the stove. I think the oil is nice and hot. And let's get to frying. Okay, guys, our skillet is really nice and hot. So we're gonna get in here, coat our chicken with our flour, really good. I don't necessarily like to shake mine up in a bag. I like to put it on there. That way I know I got it on there. But you know what? If you want to shake it with a bag, you can do that too. These are gonna be golden to perfection. Yes. And delicious. Let's lay it down in the skillet, guys. Ooh, look at it starting to fry already. Yes. Awesome. Look at these guys, they are so golden, they are cooking beautifully, guys. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. Okay, so let's get this turkey out of there. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Isn't that looking good? Look. Wow. Woohoo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Woohoo. Look at that, guys. Look. Crispy. Yes. Oh, wow. Okay, we're going to get these out of here. Get our next batch in. And then we will be done. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome. Get our next batch in here, guys. Ooh, because you can only put so many of these in at a time. They are huge. Huge, huge, huge. And they are going to be delicious. Yes, might as well be at the state fair. Ah, yes. State fair, state fair. Get that in there. Okay, I'm going to bang these out and I'll be back. Guys, we are all done with our turkey. Amazing. And we are getting ready to have a taste. All right, yes. Look at that. Look at that. Crispy. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Yes. Oh my goodness. We are going to taste it. Yes. I am actually going to cut a piece off because it is piping hot. Yes, 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 yes. And I'm not about to bite into this. It's too hot. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yes. Awesome and amazing, guys. You guys have got to try this. Who does that? Fried turkey legs? Wow. Yes, guys. Look at the inside of that. Look at that. Juicy. Yes, look at that. Take a good look at it. Wow. Yes, guys, look at that. Have a bite, have a bite. Yes. Amazing, amazing. Delicious. Okay, guys, that's it. If you have not subscribed to this channel, hit that button. Don't forget to tap the bell to be notified next time I upload. Join the channel. Leave me a comment down below and share this out with everybody you know. Let them know Chef Amore is over here cooking up easy meals. Guys, I really do appreciate each and every one of you all hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time.